Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm doing a tutorial on this colorful smoky eye using the new Poison Garden palette from Nabla Cosmetics. So if you'd like to see how to create this look, then please keep on watching. I don't have anything on my lid right now, so I'm going to apply the Overachiever concealer from Huda Beauty all over the lid, and then I'm actually not gonna set it with powder because I know a lot of people like to leave it a little bit sticky, so I thought I would try that today. Now I'm gonna pick up the shade Honey on a fluffy blending brush and apply in the crease, the outer corners of my eyes, and also on my lower lash line. I want this look to be kind of blown out, so I'm blending it pretty far out. Next, I'm gonna go in with Berry Bite and apply in the crease and the outer corners as well. And I think this one is one of my favorite eyeshadows. Actually, you know what? I think this whole palette is my new favorite palette because it has all my favorite colors in it, so I've actually used it all week since creating this look. Now I'm gonna apply reseda onto the inner half of my lid and also in the inner corners of my eyes. And this is such a nice shimmery shade, and I didn't even wet the brush when I applied it. For the outer corners, I'm gonna apply Craving, and then I'm just gonna go in with my blending brush again that I used earlier to make sure that the colors are all nicely blended. Next, I'm gonna go in with Adoration on the center of the lid and also in the inner corners. And this is a really cool eyeshadow because it has blue reflex in it. For the waterline, I'm gonna go in with the Marc Jacobs Gel Eyeliner Pencil in the shade Out of the Blue. And then I'm gonna smudge it out into my lash line using Majorelle eyeshadow from the palette. I think that's how you say it. Then I'm just gonna add a little bit of Zodiac onto the outer corners and on my lash line, and that is it for the shadows. Now I'm just gonna finish off the look with some mascara, some liner, and my favorite lashes that are extra curly today because I fell asleep with them last night, but they're the Russian blue lashes from Feline Lashes. And yeah, that is it for this look, guys. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!